Setting up a virtual environment for Python beginners. Welcome to the world of Python programming. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to set up a virtual environment to manage your Python projects effectively. Using virtual environments helps you keep your project dependencies isolated and organized. Prerequisites. Before we begin, make sure you have Conda and Python installed on your system. If you don't have Conda installed, you can download and install it from the Conda website. Python should also be installed on your system. You can download it from the official Python website. Step 1. Creating a new Conda environment. The first step is to create a new Conda environment. An environment is a self-contained workspace where you can install Python packages and manage their versions separately from the system-wide Python installation. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the following command to create a new Conda environment. Conda create env_name python == 3.12y. Replace env_name with the name you want to give to your environment. For example, to create an environment named Python 12 with Python version 3.12, you can run Conda create npython 12 python == 3.12y. This command will create a new environment and install Python 3.12 in it. You can choose any Python version you prefer. Step 2. Activating the new environment. After creating the environment, you need to activate it to start working within that environment. Activation sets up your command prompt to use the Python and packages installed in the specified environment. Activate your newly created environment by running the following command. Conda activate env_name. For example, to activate the Python 12 environment, you would run Conda activate Python 12. You will notice that the environment name is now displayed in your terminal, indicating that you are inside the virtual environment. Step 3. Installing required packages. Now that you have your virtual environment set up and activated, you can install the required Python packages specific to your project. These packages are defined in a requirements.txt file. Create a requirements.txt file in your project directory and add the names of the packages you need. For this example, we'll use mypy. Create the requirements.txt file with the following content. mypy. Next, install the required packages using pip while your virtual environment is active. Pip install a requirements.txt. This command will read the requirements.txt file and install the specified packages. In this case, it will install the mypy package. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a virtual environment, activated it, and installed the required packages for your Python project. You are now ready to start coding and developing your Python applications in an isolated and organized environment. Remember that each time you work on your project, you should activate the environment to access the packages installed within it. This practice ensures that your project remains independent of your system-wide Python installation and makes it easier to manage dependencies. Happy coding!